Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Big Super. I'm going to take a look at the continuation of the drainage system out in the East Prospect. So stick and stay. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, Big Super. Up on the ground, out at East Prospect. Up on the Beverly Hills. Up on the Beverly Hills stretch of the road. And we take a look at the gully and the drain out in the East Prospect. Because remember, you have some work at take place. You have some work at take place out here, people. Yeah. There's some work that take place out here, but it's not complete as yet. But the mountain, remember the mountain them I made a complaint about? You don't remember the mountain them, but roughly 90% of the mountain them where them they leave, that's the whole heap of debris where them they leave on the sidewalk. Them dig it down. Yeah. Then dig it down, the viewers and subscribers, so you don't have that, you don't have them whole heap of debris again on the sidewalk. The debris dig down, but the drain needs to continue. And those are the two underground culverts. I assume where them will link the drain to. When them run the drain come right down, them are going to bust them two underground culverts there. You see them two culverts there? Them are gonna burst them and send the water down in them, and them drain they come from across the road from that side. Them come across the road, come over, and then them go down under the ground. So Big Super out here in East Prospect. And we just look upon the continuous work where I take place out here. And how it come on, maybe about a week and two now, I don't really see nobody. They might there, I don't know still, but I don't see no work really. I take place, but I observe them have the tractor thing still out here, park up. Yeah, but I don't really see no work at take place, so I don't know how them schedule set up. Yeah, I don't know how the schedule set up, but them come and them do a portion of the drain. Yeah, like make the V, the tractor dig out the V and all these things on the drain here. And they need to come back now and maybe run the concrete in the gutter and all these things. And maybe if they have to run any more black pipe, they need to come out and put in some more black pipe. And big up the hardware over there, 4G hardware and supply. Yeah, when you know the hardware people, Big Super always big them up every time in the community. So we big up 4G's hardware and supply people. So, my viewers and sub, we're there, so we just make a walk to make you guys keep on up to date on the drain and the gully system. How it come on. Yeah. So Big Super is out here on the road. And we're looking at the roadway. We're looking at the condition of the road. And we're looking at what's going on. So they need to come back and finish up this drain system here. Yeah, it need to finish up and thing. I don't know what the schedule is like. But I wouldn't want the rain come, because sometimes the rainy season maybe they're right around the corner. I wouldn't want the rain come and the place not finish up, and then it's like everything have to go back to square one. So we're on the road here and we're doing a little walk, and we just look at the roadway, the condition of the road and the situation leading up to the road, finishing up on the gullies and the drain out here on East Prospect Main Road. We just a look at it. And people, time and temperature check, 8:33 in the morning, September 2022. Yeah, 8:33 in the morning. Yeah, man. Big Super is out here. So we're looking at the gullies and the drain them, you know. We don't know how long it going to take to get them system here together. But as you can see, them have whole it more work to complete the gully and the drain. Morning. Yeah, man. So, and some 1 and 2 mountains still leave, but it's not really in a nobody way. So I'm not going to say it impede. Before that it did all over the place, and it's more decent and organized now. So it like them move it out of the road because it's in front of people gateway and all these things. So we're there out here, people, and we are make a walk this morning. Yeah, it's Friday morning. Yeah, TGI, thank God it's Friday. And we have an earthquake last night, people. So, you know, it don't seem like it caused any much damage. Yeah, we have an earthquake last night, and it don't never caused no damage. Just shake up the place and thing, and you know, but that was about it. So we're heading up. So stick and stay. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So as you can see, we are look at the gully, and we're looking at the drain system out here in East Prospect, how it coming on. And we don't know, them dig out the gullies and the drain, but we not see them come back. We notice them have a little pause. You know. Yeah, man. So yeah, we're there and we are looking on the gully. Yeah, we are looking on the gully and the drain. And what you have to say about the gully and the drain?
What it done, cause man I did off over there, run off over it.
Man run off over there?
I mean, I don't want to fix one on our road, my boss.
Yeah, and from the time them work on it, what you said, them work on it too long now?
Long now, it was done now.
It want to finish up?
Yes, my boss, it was done now.
Okay.
Look on the stretch.
And you live on the stretch of road here?
Yeah, man, it's a village.
You live up there, so. And would you say them the tidiness of the work, because a couple months back, them did have the whole heap of debris pack up.
Yeah,
on the road. I mean, know them.
But them clean it up still.
Yeah, them clean it up still.
Yeah, look like. But the road one done. The drain one done now.
The drain one finish up now. All right, thanks. Here.
All right, my boss. So say 40.
40.
Yeah.
And that's your thing.
Said we.
All right, 40. So people, you see it. She said the road one done up. It need to finish up. So Big Super is here, and today them going to have a cake sale over Triple R. So people, I hope you come out and purchase a ticket for the cake sale over Triple R. Big Super. Out in the road, East Prospect. Same to you guys. Peace out.